Hey everyone, welcome back to our English learning journey, Study Vibes. Today we are going to talk about something that sounds simple but is super important. The different kinds of sentences in English. By the end of this video, you will know what they are, what they mean, and how to use them correctly. So let's jump in. Have you ever wondered why some sentences make you happy? Ask questions or tell you something important? That's because there are different types of sentences, each serving a different purpose. Understanding these can help you speak and write more clearly and confidently. Ready? Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the most common type, the declarative sentence. These are sentences that make a statement or give information. For example, the sun is shining. See, it just states something that's true or a fact. Declarative sentences usually end with a period. Think of them as a way to tell someone what you know or what you think. Next, we have interrogative sentences. These are questions. They are used when you want to ask something. For example, what time is it? Or did you finish your homework? Notice they end with the question mark. These sentences help us gather information or clarify things. So, when you will want to ask, remember it's an interrogative sentence. Now, moving on to the third type, that is imperative sentences. These are sentences that give a command, make a request, or offer an invitation. For example, please sit down or close the door. They often start with a verb and don't always need a subject written out because the subject is understood to be you. Think of them as instructions or polite suggestions. The fourth type is the exclamatory sentence. These are used to show strong feelings or surprise. For example, wow, that's amazing, or what a beautiful sunset. They usually start with words like what or how and end with an exclamation mark. Use these words when you want to express excitement, surprise, or strong emotion. Let's quick review. We have four main types of sentences. First is declarative. Declarative for giving facts or information. For example, I like ice cream. Second is interrogative for asking questions. Are you coming? Next, third is imperative for giving commands or making requests. Please open the window. Exclamatory for showing emotions or surprise. That's awesome. Understanding this will help you communicate more effectively in speaking and writing. Now, here's a quick tip. When you write or speak, choose the sentence type based on what you want to say or how you want to express it. Before we wrap up, let's do a quick example together. I will give you a sentence and you tell me what type it is. Ready? It is raining outside. What do you think? Yes, it's a declarative sentence. It's just giving information. Great job. Remember, practicing these different types of sentences will make your English stronger. Try writing a few sentences of each type on your own. And don't worry, if you make mistakes, that's part of learning. To sum up, understanding the different types of sentences helps you to be clearer in your communication. Use declarative sentences to tell interrogative for questions, imperative for commands, and exclamatory for strong feelings. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more easy English lessons. And if you have any questions or want to share the examples, leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching and keep practicing your English every day. Remember, every sentence you learn is a step closer to becoming a confident speaker. See you next time. Stay tuned with Study Vibes.